Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you can access Emacs built-in help. I think doing Google search or any kind of search, which might sometimes turns result quickly, but most of the time it leaves you a misleading impression or result. Okay, so the first instinct should be to look into the software what you are using, whatever the in this case I am showing you the Emacs. It can be anything, it can be Vim, it can be other software, whatever. It is better always to have the inertia to look at the manual pages first. Yes, it takes little bit more time than the searching on the internet, but you are rest assured that you will get the authentic information out of it. Okay, to start with that, say in Emacs, I'm assuming you are familiar with Emacs. If you wanted to access some function information, all you have to do Control HV. Okay, in my case I have bounded it to console, so it will bring up a posh frame in the middle of the screen. If I wanted to see some information about the specific functionality, I have to press Control H and then F. See, the posh frame has come in the middle of the screen. If I use the arrow key, go down, or and I wanted to know any specific function related stuff, I just press enter. Okay, now it brings up the information about it. It brings us the information about it, what it is all about. Okay, likewise you can get all the information about the function. Fine. Okay, let's say if you want to get some information about some variable you are specifically looking for, the similar way you can get it. Control HV, Control H and then V. It brings up the variable, any variable, right? So if you want to search for something like this, just press enter. It will take you there. Okay, so it will show what that variable means and all this stuff. So it's very easy and convenient way to access the important information if you're stuck up somewhere. Okay, in generalized way, if you want to access, just press Control H and it will enlist you the keys which will allow you to go to a specific section of the help. Okay, say if I wanted to access something, say for instance if I press a K, right, it will ask me what is the keystroke for that I'm searching out for the information. If I paste one of my bounded key, Control C S N, okay, then it will show me that how it is bounded and what it will do. Okay, you can see I have clearly bounded it to EMMS next song. Okay, likewise if you go to other option, if you choose other option to see the specific, say for instance if I wanted to know the embed binding, I have to press Control B. See, all the commands embed has and all the system command, it will show there in the mini buffer. So it is super handy way to access the internal help system to get more authentic information rather than depending on external internet search. I'm not saying that it is not useful. It is useful, but sometime, in quite some time, it leaves you some sort of misleading information. Okay, and you will be riding on somebody else's understanding, going to some specific site. Instead, spend some time to look inside the software help system which will allow you to get through a authentic system, authentic information about that particular system you are exploiting, right? I hope you got the idea clearly. All I am suggesting, first inertia should be look into the built-in system, help system first. If it fails you, then you will try out other various way of doing internet searching. Internet searching can be filtered leaps and bounds, and believe me, most of the people, they do internet search horribly wrong. That's why the results are absolutely bogus most of the time. Anyway, that's another topic, but all I'm trying to say, this is a very handy thing, right? So if I go Control H again, say if I wanted to see something specifically, right? Say if I want to see the minibuffer echo area, right? If I space E, so this message has been already printed. Okay, it has been printed on somewhere else, so you didn't show it at all, right? You didn't see it at all. Okay, so this is the way you can bring it up, what is going on, kind of stuff, right? So you'll come to know. Okay, likewise, if I get Control H and say there are various other options. You can see the keystroke, right? Each and every key corresponds to something which will gives you a description of the particular stuff, right? So this is a short and minimal way just to convey. Please look into the built-in help system of any software which you are using, then jump onto internet to get the result. I hope this will help. Thanks.